Hi, second graders. It is Thursday, May 7th, and today we are going to be working on story problems with measurements. The first thing you are going to do is take out your workbook page 401. We're only going to do one page in our workbook today, and then you have two optional IXL jobs to practice your multiplication. Okay, even if you've already done them, you can do them again to practice those multiplication facts and extra math. So if you have your workbook page 401 out, we will get started here. Oops, gotta bounce back. Let's see, page 401. It says Kelly has a piece of red yarn that is 25 centimeters long. She also has a piece of blue yarn that is 11 centimeters long. How much longer is the red yarn than the blue yarn? Well, what is the total length of the longest piece of yarn? 25 centimeters. Yep, so that's our total and it goes up at the top. The blue yarn is how long? 11. So we want to figure out the longest to the shortest. So we're going to do 25 minus 11. So on the side, right, 25 minus 11 equals, okay, if I have 5, can I take away 1? Yep, what is it? 4. If I have 2, can I take away 1? Yep, what is it? 1. So what's my answer? Yep, 14 centimeters. Make this bigger here. 14 centimeters is my answer. All right, let's move on to number 10. Our second one for the day. It says Paco swims 41 meters. Kenny swims 4 meters less than Paco. How far does Kenny swim? Well, what's the total amount that Paco swims? Yep, 41 meters. Kenny swims 4 meters less. So we would have to take away 4. We're going to subtract to get our unknown over here. So I'm going to set up my problem and I'm going to do 41 minus 4. Make sure your 1s and your 10s are lined up. If I have 1, can I take away 4? Nope. So I have to go next door, knock, knock, knock. Is anybody home? Yep. So I'm going to cross up my 4. My 4 becomes a 3, and that 10 I took away or ungrouped, I'm going to put over here to make 11. So now 11 minus 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 7. And 3 minus 0 is 3. So what's my answer? How long does Kenny swim? Yep, he swims 37 meters. Oops. 37 meters. Nice job. S at the end because it's plural. There's more than one. All right. The next two I'm going to have you do on your own. Leonard walks 28 meters. Then he walks 56 more meters. How many meters does he walk in all? Okay, my hint is we don't know the total yet. So that's my unknown at the top. He has 28. He walks 28 meters, then he walks 56 more. How many meters does he walk in all? Go ahead and hit pause to solve. Hit play when you're ready for the last one. All right, a tree is 72 inches tall now. It is 12 inches taller than it was last year. How tall was the tree last year? Well, what's the total? How tall is it right now? Yep, 72. So 72 goes at the top. It was 12 inches shorter, so we have to take away that 12. 72 minus 12 to get our answer. Go ahead and hit pause to solve. Hit play when you're ready. All right. Then our two optional jobs today. The first one is Y10 for multiplication. You can have your multiplication sheet count bys out in front of you to practice counting your facts for 6, 7, 8, and 9. If you have your fact sheet out in front of you, it will help you count by quicker. Remember, you're not just going 1, 2, 3. You're going to count by 6, 12, 18, 24 when you're counting and put up a finger each time. And then you have Y11 multiplication tables up to 10. Again, make sure you have your count by sheets out in front of you to help you. And then you can also do extra math to practice your simple addition and subtraction if you would like. All right, good luck today. Have fun. I will see you tomorrow.